An enharmonic equivalent is a pitch or tone which can be spelled with two or more different letter names. For example, looking at the keys of a piano, we can see that one half step above the note G is the note G sharp. However, this very same key, the one that we just identified as being the note G sharp, is also a half step below the note A. Therefore, in addition to being called G sharp, this note can also be spelled with the letter name A flat. Now, because we are able to call this same exact pitch by two different letter names, the note G sharp and the note A flat are therefore considered to be enharmonic equivalents. In that same respect, one half step above the note D is the note D sharp. Just like in the previous example, we can see that this same key is also one half step below the note E. Therefore, in addition to being the note D sharp, it could also be spelled by the letter name E flat. With this in mind, we can see that the notes D sharp and E flat are enharmonic equivalents. This is in fact true for all of the black keys on a piano. However, it is important to know that it is not only the black keys which can have enharmonic equivalents. Sometimes certain enharmonic equivalents are not as obvious. Because the notes B natural and C natural are separated by a single half step, there is no black key in between them. Knowing that a flat lowers a note by one half step because B is one half step behind the note C, the key in which we typically refer to as being the note B natural can also be referred to by the letter name C flat. In other words, the note B natural and the note C flat are enharmonic equivalents. On the contrary, because a sharp raises a note by one half step, and the note C is a half step above the note B, B sharp is then the enharmonic equivalent of the note C. The same is true for the notes E natural and F natural. Because F natural is a half step above the note E natural, the note E sharp is the enharmonic equivalent of the note F natural. And because E natural is a half step below the note F natural, the note F flat is the enharmonic equivalent of the note E natural. Now, the way you spell a pitch often depends on two important factors: the key in which the note is being played, and what is happening around the note in the music. For instance, when you are in the key of G major, this pitch is called F sharp, not G flat. Even though the notes F sharp and G flat are enharmonic equivalents and are technically the same exact pitch, when playing a scale, you do not want to repeat letters. Rather, it is important to maintain the proper alphabetical order. Playing a G major scale as G, A, B, C, D, E, G flat, G not only skips over the letter F, it also repeats the letter G. In this situation, it is more appropriate to use the letter name F sharp rather than G flat. Thank you for watching this video. Please connect to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button below, and head over to 5minutemozart.com for members-only exclusives and more videos like this.